Studying and observing current discourse on Islam in Germany and Europe, I noticed that the public debates often display Islam or religion in general as a threat to secular liberal societies. Because, that's how the argument goes, religion imposes so many rules and norms on people. What is often not mentioned in these debates is that rules and norms exist in all societies, also in secular contexts, or contexts that define themselves as liberal and secular. The exhibition tries to show that norms and rules exist in all societies by highlighting certain fields of everyday life: clothing, food, and children's toys. There are, for example, male superhero figures from a secular context which convey a very stereotypical image of men. Here the man is a muscle man who solves problems and saves the world and frees it from evil. And next to it is a pregnant woman doll with a baby that little girls can use to practice what it's like to be a mother. These dolls are colorful and fun, and at the same time they illustrate how closely gender roles in a secular context are linked to specific types of clothing, body ideals, and social practices and conventions. Another example is a feminist t-shirt saying "My body, my rules," which can be read as a manifestation of freedom, but at the same time it's a very normal standardized t-shirt. So a t-shirt that also follows certain rules of Western fashion. So in a way, the exhibition tries to draw attention to certain blind spots in our perception, blind spots when it comes to our own norms and rules. And it also tries to highlight that norms and rules in all societies, also in religious contexts, are constantly renegotiated, challenged, and are changing. The exhibition is accompanied by a book published by Falschrum, which includes photos of the objects as well as texts by authors of different backgrounds and disciplines: philosophy, sociology, theology, Jewish and Islamic studies.
When developing the project, there have been various kind of points of interest that have developed, one of which is viewpoints. The structure itself does describe and divides the space, but those walls are transparent because of the method of construction that's used. And you can see people looking at the content of the exhibition from the other side, can see somebody else engaging with the object from a different viewpoint, which has quite a nice metaphor. There is a central space which cannot be accessed. We were looking at 3 different collections of objects. There's 3 monotheistic religions. This has become a kind of a space that can be looked into but can't be entered, and for me it's kind of connected with ideas of the sacred. Another aspect of the structure, mobility, that things can be changed, the walls can be changed, and that the displaying methods of shelves and hanging structures can be taken down and changed, and this is also connected with some of the exhibition's ideas of shifting rules and norms in secular society as well as in religion. Today we're getting a group of people together, and we're going to work collectively to take all the objects down. We're going to rearrange the structure and then replace those objects in order to create new associations and new dialogues within the collection of objects that we have.
Also in der heutigen Gesellschaft, das sehe ich in den Niederlanden, ist Religion oft verdächtig. Und Religion ist nicht neutral. Und man sieht das auch bei jungen Menschen, dass die keinen neutralen Zugang zu ihrer eigenen Religion haben. Vor allem sieht man das bei muslimischen Studierenden, dass, weil der Islam so heftig debattiert wird, dass die nicht selbst herausfinden können, wie sie in ihrer eigenen Religion eigentlich stehen, sondern immer dabei die nationsweite Islamdebatte mit im Kopf haben. Und was ich so toll an dieser Ausstellung finde, ist, dass es vorzeigt, wie es sein könnte. Nicht hierarchisch und alles nebeneinander und ohne Urteil. Das finde ich wichtig, dass was gezeigt wird, dass das anregt zum Nachdenken über, wie die Welt jetzt ist und wie die sein könnte.